Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and recommendations. Today, we have an amazing product to talk about, the MAJESTIC Pure USDA Organic Sweet Almond Oil. If you're looking for the best cooking oil for pregnancy, you're in the right place. Let's start by taking a closer look at this fantastic product. The MAJESTIC Pure Organic Sweet Almond Oil is a versatile and 100% pure and natural cold-pressed oil that offers a multitude of benefits for moms-to-be. Here are some key features that make this product stand out. It's USDA organic, which means it's free from harmful chemicals and pesticides. It's made from 100% pure and natural sweet almonds, ensuring top-notch quality. This oil is not just for cooking. It's also perfect for skincare, hair care, and massages. It comes in a generous 8 fluid-ounce bottle, providing you with plenty of product to use. The lightweight formula is easy to apply and absorbs quickly, making it ideal for daily use. Now, let's discuss why this is the best cooking oil for pregnancy. Sweet almond oil is rich in vitamin E and antioxidants, which can help reduce the appearance of stretch marks and keep your skin hydrated during pregnancy. It's a natural and safe option for cooking, adding a delicious and nutty flavor to your dishes. Almond oil is known to support healthy hair and scalp, which can be a relief during pregnancy when hormonal changes can affect hair health. Using the MAJESTIC Pure Sweet Almond Oil is easy. You can apply a small amount to your skin for deep nourishment. Gently massage it on your face, body, and hands. For cooking, simply use it as a healthier alternative to other cooking oils. And if you're looking for a relaxing massage, this oil is perfect for that too. One more thing that sets this product apart is that it's ethically sourced and cruelty-free. You can feel good about using it, knowing that it aligns with your values. Now, let's take a look at what customers are saying about the MAJESTIC Pure Sweet Almond Oil. With a 4.7-star rating and over 59 reviews, it's clear that many people are loving this product. Customers have reported improved skin hydration, reduced dryness, and even relief from itchy scalps. In conclusion, the MAJESTIC Pure USDA Organic Sweet Almond Oil is not only a fantastic cooking oil for pregnancy but also a versatile and nourishing addition to your beauty routine. With its natural and organic qualities, it's a must-have for expecting mothers. If you're interested in trying out this wonderful product, you can find it on Amazon. Just click the link in the description below to get your own bottle of MAJESTIC Pure Sweet Almond Oil. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest reviews. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.